Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to explain about the concept of for each next loop. So first of all, what is the purpose of for each next loop? It is entirely useful to loop through all the elements that the object consists of. Number of iterations that this loop consists of depends on elements count that the object consists of. Now, let me explain the structure of for each next loop. For denotes starting position of the loop. Next denotes endpoint of the loop. Each element denotes loop variable. In is a keyword. Thereafter, user has to mention the object.elements. After entering into the loop, we have to mention the statements. Next, we can place the exit for. So this is the structure of for each loop. Before going to the coding part, let me explain with an example. Let's say I have an workbook with 4 worksheets, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 and sheet 4. So I want to loop through all these 4 worksheets by using for each loop. So as part of this process, first I am declaring a variable dim sht as worksheet. So sht is the variable and worksheet is object data type. For each sht means I am looping each and every worksheet in active workbook.worksheets. This is the collection of the object. So here active workbook is an object. Thereafter worksheets denotes element collection. Next I am providing the body of the loop. Next denotes end of the for loop. So this is the brief introduction about the for each loop. So let me explain with an example. Here I have some data in column A. This column consists of numbers from 1 to 15. So here I am writing a program to change the background color if that number is divisible by 2. So that is my program. Click on Developer tab. Click on Visual Basic. Here I am inserting a module. As part of this process, first I am declaring a variable to define the range, dim rng as range. Next, set rng equivalent to active sheet dot range of A1 to A15. Next I am declaring one more variable, dim c as range. This c is useful to loop through all the cells in the range. Next I am mentioning for each loop. For each c in rng dot cells, I am closing the loop. In the body of the loop, I am mentioning the mod function to find whether the cell value is divisible by 2 or not. If c mod 2 equivalent to 0, then here I am mentioning end if c dot interior dot color index equivalent to 5. Here I am instructing the application, if c mod 2 equivalent to 0, then change the background color of that particular cell. So that is the meaning of this piece of code. Now let us debug the code. Press F8 to start the debugging. Here, application is going to enter into the looping process. Right now, C equivalent to 1. Let me explain the purpose of the mod function. Mod function returns the remainder after a number is divided by the divisor. So here, remainder is 0. 2 divided by 2. Hence, application converting the background color into blue of that particular cell. Right now, C equivalent to 8. Always remember, in for each loop, number of iterations entirely depends elements count that this variable consists of. Here we have 15 elements, then application exhibited 15 iterations. In this way we have to conclude. There is no necessity to provide min value and max value of the loop. So this is the brief introduction about the for each next loop. I hope this video is useful to everyone. Thanks for watching.